Welcome everyone to Do-It-Yourself series on gel electrophoresis experiment. Have you known that you can do it at home yourself? Gel electrophoresis is like a race for DNA, or protein. Scientists use it to separate tiny pieces of DNA to see what they look like or how big they are. Imagine you have different lengths of string, like DNA, and you put them into a soft jelly. Then you turn on some electricity. The electricity pulls the DNA through the gel, and the smaller pieces move faster, just like smaller kids running faster through a playground maze. In the end, you get a pattern of bands that tells you what's in the DNA sample. It's like reading a barcode. This is what you can prepare from your house kitchen and from your parents' garage. Food coloring, ice cream stick, baking soda, jelly powder, crocodile clip, plastic container, batteries and copper tinned wire are all you need. First step is preparing the gel comb. You need a cardboard, ice cream stick, scissors, masking tape and plastic container. Cut holes on the cardboard using scissor. You can use pizza boxes as your cardboard too. Make 4 holes that can fit the ice cream stick and ensure there are clear gaps between each hole. Use a masking tape to tape one end of the ice cream stick, as this will secure the ice cream stick from sliding down from the cardboard hole. Once you have done that, place the ice cream stick in each hole. Why we prepared 4 holes here? This is to produce 4 wells where each well will incorporate 1 food coloring. One important thing we have to make sure is the length of the ice cream stick is not too long until touching the base of the plastic container, as this puncture the gel instead of making a well. Second step is preparing the gel. You need a baking soda and mix it with water, jelly powder, plastic spoon and plastic cup or weighing boat to weigh the jelly powder. Take a plastic spoon, and pour a small pea size of jelly powder onto the plastic spoon. Once you estimated amount of jelly powder on the spoon, place it in the weighing boat, or you can use any plastic container at home. Then transfer the jelly powder into a bottle. Feel free to use any kind of bottle in your kitchen, as this is to dissolve the powder with baking soda solution. The baking soda solution can be prepared easily by mixing a pea size of baking soda powder and water beforehand. To dissolve the jelly powder, you can use 100 ml of the baking soda solution. Now shake the bottle containing baking soda solution and the jelly powder to ensure the jelly powder is mixed with the baking soda solution. The jelly powder is not easily dissolved unless we use heat. Don't worry if you don't have any hot plate as shown in this video. You can use the microwave your mom have in your kitchen. Heat them until the mixture turn into clear colored solution, and there is no trace of jelly powder in the bottle anymore. Now it's time to prepare a gel with 4 wells. Or you can make as many wells you wanted depending on how many sample or coloring food you have. Place the ice cream stick comb on the top part of the plastic container. Make sure the cardboard is stable and secure holding the plastic container, or else your well might not come out in good shape. Now you can pour the gel solution containing dissolved jelly powder with baking soda into the container, but make sure to swirl the bottle first to avoid any clumping. Make sure the gel solution is covering half of the comb, or it go up to 2/3 of the comb length. This will ensure proper formation of wells. Now leave the gel solution for 15 to 20 minutes for it to harden and take shape. Are you ready to load your samples? We need a solidified gel, baking soda solutions, 4 food coloring, dropper, or you can use any plastic syringe in your kitchen where your mom used to give medicine to your siblings, copper tinned wire and a spoon. Place the tinned wire that has been shaped as you can see in the video on both ends of the plastic container. Then, transfer the solidified gel into the container. Be careful not to tear the gel. Now pour the baking soda solution until the gel is submerged. Next, it's time to load the food coloring into the gel. This part is fun, but be very gentle. You can use 4 colors, like blue, red, yellow, and green, like shown here in the video, or any food coloring you find in your kitchen, just like the ones your mom uses for baking cupcakes or cookies. Your dropper and gently take just a little bit of color. You don't need much, just a tiny drop will do the trick. Hold the dropper right above the little well in the gel. Now, slowly and gently, squeeze the dropper and let the color slide into the well. Be careful, don't poke the gel with your dropper and don't press too hard. The gel is soft, like jelly, and we don't want to mess it up. Repeat the same steps for each color. One color in each well. Take your time. Now we've reached the final step, connecting the gel to the power supply. First, place the batteries into the battery holder. Next, take a crocodile clip and connect it to the positive side of the battery holder. Then, clip it to the wire placed at the top of the plastic container. This will be our positive end. Then, use another crocodile clip and connect it to the negative side of the battery holder. Clip this one to the wire at the bottom of the plastic container. This is our negative end. Now the circuit is complete, and the electricity can flow. Alright, everything's set up. Let's watch closely and see where the colors go. In gel electrophoresis, DNA moves from the top to the bottom of the gel because it's negatively charged, and smaller pieces move faster than bigger ones. Great job, scientist. You've just explored how DNA travels in a gel, like a race of tiny strings. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and never stop exploring. Hopefully you will give it a try at home. Thank you for watching.